So this video was supposed to be an announcement video for my new Indiegogo campaign that I just launched less than 2 days ago. And here's the campaign right here for my book, Production Point: How to Plan and Finish Your Game as a Solo Developer. However, as you can see, it's a little bit late to be making an announcement video for the campaign because we're already 72% funded. So I was just blown away at how positively this Indiegogo campaign was received. I mean, when you have a channel, that has, I'm getting close to 200,000 subscribers, right? If you do something, you know that it's at least going to get some attention. But since this was outside of what I normally do, I wasn't really expecting it to do this well, and it's just done really, really well. So I want to thank everybody who has supported the campaign up to this point. I appreciate all 270 of you, and also potentially those of you who, aren't in a position to be able to support the campaign by backing it, but are supporting it in other ways, sharing it or whatever. So since this video isn't an announcement for the Indiegogo campaign, what it is an announcement for the stretch goals. So I'm going to announce the first stretch goal. I have some ideas for the other ones, but the first stretch goal is to produce an audiobook. And if we reach this stretch goal of 25,000, I will send the audiobook to all of the backers at the ebook perk or higher. So basically anybody who supports the campaign at $15 or more will receive the ebook as well. And so they'll just get it. It'll just be a bonus. They won't have to pay any extra for it or anything. So if we reach the $25,000 stretch goal, all of the backers will get access to the audiobook as well. All of the backers at $15 or higher. So there it is, the announcement for the stretch goal. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you all later.